morning, everybody. As well as my full-time job, I'm also a supporting artist part-time. So I do this whenever I can. It's self-employed, so it's very flexible, really. It's all around your schedule. Today, I am on set at a wedding, and I'm also in the choir, so it's going to be really fun. I'm going to just style my hair the way that the hair people have asked me to. They want me to do my own makeup, so that's good. I'm going to do that, and then I'm probably going to make a coffee because I'm really quite tired still. Come with me on this day in the life, and I hope you enjoy it. It's going to be very realistic. I'm going to go get dressed. It's 9:10. I have about 20 minutes to leave the house, and I'm dressed pretty much. I'm packing. I need to put my makeup on real quick before I go. A book, a drink, and my actual bag, some boots to go, and my charger and stuff. So this is what I'm taking. I will vlog the journey. The one thing I will say about this job is that the call times are always super unpredictable, usually very, very early, starting as early as 6 a.m. depending on what it is. I find it quite hard to get to most of the places, but this one, luckily, the set wasn't so far away. I don't have a car at the moment, so I ended up getting the bus, which was only 30 minutes from my house, which was absolutely perfect. I also think that with my full-time photography job, it's super important that I get on the other side of the camera sometimes and know what it's like to be in front of it. So I really enjoy modeling jobs or acting gigs like this, just because it's a different perspective. So I've just arrived. I'm gonna go put the rest of my costume on because I'm not wearing heels yet, because I couldn't be asked to come here in heels. I'm wearing boots right now. So yeah, gonna get dressed and then I'll go wait in the waiting room with the rest of the cast and supporting artist. I can't find the toilets. We are going on to set. We are waiting to be called on set again. So in the meantime, we can warm up by the fire and have a good time, chat, get to know each other. So this is the choir. We're just changing our shoes because we're frozen. We've been outside for 3 hours.
The point where the heels come off, and we're back into the flatties. Okay.
This is what I was wearing on set to stay warm. This is what I wore. We got given water bottles to stay warm.
Go back into that little room down there.
All right.
Yeah, I'm not going to see you. We're going to have a 2 shots.
Of this as well.
This one. Oh, the castle. Yeah.
We are going back inside
Trust
after we are finished.
We have the room in
We are finally going for lunch at 8 p.m. Lunch. 8 p.m. Dinner time. What did you get?
Ooh, some beef stroganoff with some vegetables and rice.
Nice. I also got the beef with chips and veg.
keep moving.
I'm home now. It is 12:25 a.m. and I'm really tired. It was a very good day. I made lots of friends and it was simply amazing as always. I love doing this job and I'm glad you were all able to come behind the scenes with me. I'm gonna go to bed now, but that was a successful day on set. I will see you soon. Thank you for watching.